How to use tension to create attraction. You don't want to miss this. Hello and welcome. My name is Arica Angelo. If you are new to my channel, let me introduce myself. I am the CEO and founder of the Arica Angelo Intimacy Experience. In this channel, we talk about everything: love, sex, relationships, dating, attraction, you name it. If it comes to that, we'll be discussing it here. Tension is a very interesting thing that you men can do that us women are not always cognizant that you're doing. It's that subtle way to create attraction that we as women, when we're in the moment and we're engaged with you, we don't even realize it's going on. That's how sneaky and powerful you can be. Real quick, if you are new to my channel, don't forget, subscribe right now and turn on that notification bell, because you and I are gonna stay in relationship with one another. A really interesting thing that you can do as a man is integrate unpredictable touch. What do I mean? Well, I thought you would ask that, so I'll tell you a quick story. I had a buddy of mine, we were just friends. I didn't feel anything for him romantically. We had spoken just as friends, but we talked about things like sex, relationships, those sort of things. Now, my friend had never, ever come on to me, told me he liked me, none of that stuff. But then one day we were grocery shopping together because we were gonna make dinner together. And as I was picking up some produce at Trader Joe's, he did something that I will never forget. As I was looking for something, he came in and did this. He leaned into me and he whispered into my ear, "Arica, you look really nice," and turned around and walked off. Now, what that did for me as a woman, I'm not even gonna lie, it kind of turned me on. And I was like, ooh, wait a minute, I've not felt this way for him. Wait a minute, I thought we were just friends, but why do I feel this, dare I say, attraction for this guy? To me, that was such a smooth, sexy move. It was him and that was such a subtle form of touch. Him just coming in and barely putting his little whiskers on the side of my hair and whispering into my ear. It was such a subtle touch, but that little moment actually sparked attraction inside of me. This guy who was very much in the friend zone, so to speak, but because he did this little subtle move, it created attraction. So what happened between my friend and I? We were making dinner, and as we were making dinner and cutting up and laughing, what did he do? He came in, boom, for the kiss, and we kissed several times that night. Which leads me to my next one. Be 100% okay with your sexual attraction towards her. I think so many guys get caught up in your head and you think, oh my God, is this gonna turn her on? Is she gonna think I'm a creep? Is this gonna turn off? You just have to own it. Own it in your body, own it in your dick. Listen, I am turned on by this woman. She drives me crazy. She does things to my body that just drives me nuts. She does that with her cute little ass, with that beautiful face, with that sweet little giggle. She does those things to my body, and you know what? It is what it is. And you know what? I own it. I'm comfortable with it. It is what it is. You have to own that attraction. You have to own what you feel for her sexually. It's not a bad thing. You're not a bad guy because the girl that you're into, you were sexually stimulated by her. I think so many men have been shamed for feeling this, but this is a very natural feeling. In fact, it is a feeling, it's that instinct that makes this world go around and creates a population among us, is having that sexual attraction. So you feel it, then own it. Which leads me to my next one. Don't sell yourself short. Don't sell yourself out. Meaning, don't get in your head and start taking yourself out of the game. Oh man, she thinks I'm a creep. She's not gonna be into me. You are sabotaging yourself. You are letting that monkey mind that's just up there going clank, 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 sabotage you. No. So many guys have so many chances that they are missing because they get sabotaged right here in the head. Don't be one of those fatal victims. When you feel that monkey mind go on, be like, you are distracting me from my mission. I am a man on a mission to get this woman. So buzz off, monkey mind. You know what? I'm in the game. I have a 50-50 chance. Either she's gonna want me or she's not. And I'm gonna go for the side that says she wants me. This one is hilarious. You might call me conceited, maybe a narcissist. I don't know. You'll come up with lots of psychology words to make me sound like an asshole when I tell you this, but I'm just gonna keep it real. When I was little growing up, my dad used to make fun of me because he said that I would say this. Everybody wants me. Now you may think I'm an asshole after saying that, and that's okay, because it kind of does sound like an asshole thing to say. But truth be told, when I was younger and I would go to like camps and things like that, even as a young teenage girl, I would plug that in my mind that when I went out scoping for guys, and yes, I 100% went to church camp to scope for guys. When people would tell me, Arica, we are here for Jesus, I would say, yes, you are. I am here for the boys, and Jesus is a boy. But as I would scope out the crowd and I would look for guys, and I would go, aha, there he is, that one. That is gonna be my boyfriend, church camp boyfriend for the week. There he is. Boom, in my head. Everybody wants me. He wants me. I just need to get in front of him for him to see that he wants me. What do I mean? My point is that is something that you can plug into your head. It doesn't matter what you look like. And guess what? When I was a teenager, I did not look like this. I had orange hair, bigger eyebrows. I didn't look like this. You may say, well, of course, look at how you look. Some of you may be saying, yeah, you don't do much for me. That's okay too. But the point is, you've got to put that in your head. Put it in your head, that mantra of everybody wants me. Everybody wants me. It may be your personality. You may have good looks. You may have that juicy booty that gives some cushion for the pushing. Regardless, put it in your mind, everybody wants me, and then you validate yourself on why everyone wants you. Let me tell you, if you don't know this secret, I'm going to tell you right now. Tension. You have this bottle of stuff, this red substance that you can provide for us women that creates immediate tension down below. It warms us up down below, and that's called red wine. That's right. If you're with a girl, you guys are talking, maybe you are just friends. Offer her a glass of red wine. Listen, red wine for us women sometimes just takes us out of our head of where we're trying to micromanage and control everything and put everybody in boxes and not all women do that, but a lot of us do. Let's keep it real, ladies, if you're watching this. What that does is that takes the inhibition off of us to where we go, ooh, wow, Mikey, he's been my friend for forever, but wow, all of a sudden tonight he looks good. Oh my God, he's wearing those more fitted pants. That slim fit, ooh, he even has a bulge going. Oh my God, I've never noticed that about Mikey. Red wine gets us turned on down below, and it also gets us out of our head. So listen, if you wanna create tension with a woman, sometimes just a nice bottle of good red wine is your best friend. The other thing is you gotta build rapport. Listen, us women, you know we're different than you. You guys look at us and your dick just goes straight up. We are not like that. We don't see you and we go, oh my God, I am so wet below. He is turning me on so much. No, it doesn't always work like that for us. You gotta build rapport with us, get to know our story, get to know what makes us tick, let us get to know you, but that whole thing has to be had. So whatever you do, invest the time to build some rapport with her, and in that creates the precedence for tension to be built upon. And the last thing is, guys, as scared as you may be, you darling, forget the guys, just you and me, as scared as you may be, in the end, you just have to go for it. Just like my friend who I was not thinking about sexually, I wasn't thinking of him in that context whatsoever. But at the end of it, after he flirted with me and came in and did the little whisper thing in my ear as I was shopping for produce at Trader Joe's, at the end of it, listen, we had already built rapport. There was already some tension being created, and then he just went for it. Listen, either she's gonna say, I'm not into that, or she's just gonna go with it. And listen, sometimes us girls are just nice and we'll just go for it just to be nice to you, but guess what? Sometimes you can turn that around where we really like that shit and we're like, give me some more of that. So there you go. This is how you're gonna use tension to create attraction with the woman you are pursuing. And if you're in a relationship, then guess what? You can put all of these steps into action and start working and wooing your woman back again to where she's attracted and turned on to you once again. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, but also I want to read in the comments below because I love responding to these in the first 24 hours or so. Tell me which step you can see yourself doing. You're like, that one I can totally do, Arica. I want to know which step it was. Tell me in the comments below. I can't wait to talk to you there. Listen, some of you boys just don't know how sexy you are. Some of you don't even know what you got going on. Some of you are just creating tension by those slim fit jeans you're wearing. You got that good little booty that mama gave you, and we can see it. And it creates tension for us. Or sometimes when you wear that tight shirt, and all those muscles you've been gaining at the gym, that shirt right there that you got from Zara or H&M, that shirt is turning us on. That is doing the job. You don't even know how sexy you are. You are turning us on left and right. And guess what? I'm here to tell you, you're doing a good job.